What is the purpose of a property survey? To verify property boundaries and dimensions. What is the role of a real estate broker? To represent buyers or sellers in real estate transactions. What is a counteroffer in a real estate transaction? An offer made by the seller after receiving a buyer's offer. What does the term closing costs refer to in real estate? Fees and expenses associated with completing a real estate transaction. What is a dual agency in real estate? When a real estate agent represents both the buyer and the seller in a transaction, what does the term listing agreement refer to in real estate? An agreement between a seller and a real estate broker to market the property.